What is going on, everybody? My name is Wadi The Crypto Hunter. How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys had a blessed day so far. And basically, GS in the house. What's going on? What's going on? Appreciate you being here. So before I get into it, people, please just make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on the notifications so whenever I come on live stream again. So let's get into the juicy topic of the day. Gary Gensler was put in the hot seat, and this is getting crazy and crazier. So big shout out to Awesome Austin because he was the first person to put something out about what was going on with Gary. And I'm gonna share this quick clip, and then I'm going to get into some technical analysis to see what's gonna go down with Bitcoin. So in the meantime, let's
I
just
have a
play
few
this
quick
over.
questions where a yes or no answer will suffice. Uh, Chairman Gensler,
Can you
part of the
guys hear
SEC's
it?
mission is to protect investors. Does the SEC review pre-IPO documents?
I think you said pre-IPO documents. You're supposed to, if you're going to take a company public,
Yeah.
the staff of the SEC does review those to see that they're in compliance.
Correct.
with
Is
the law.
Coinbase a publicly traded company?
I'm sorry?
Is Coinbase publicly traded?
Yes.
All right. So the SEC allowed pension funds and retail investors to invest in a company, Coinbase, that you apparently, from prior remarks, believe was engaging in illegal activity. All of their activities were laid out in their public filings in the S1 prior to the IPO. You did say that you believe Coinbase is selling unregistered securities, correct?
Again, I'm not going to speak to anyone.
No, but you said that they're selling unregistered securities. This is your public comments.
So if you guys notice, I just gotta stop it real quick. How baffled he looks, how like dumbfounded he looks, because it feels like he got caught off guard. But then again, it's actually a good thing because that shows that he knows nothing, absolutely nothing about crypto. So here goes the other part that kind of got me wondering, because somebody noticed he is charging Ethereum, or trying to charge Ethereum as a security, but then Ethereum Max, which is a total garbage coin, then he just let people go like nothing.
I think, with all respect, I look forward to you finding that because I'm trying to be very careful. I'm not speaking
We'll help
about
refresh
any
your
one
memory.
company.
In the Kim Kardashian settlement, the SEC stated that Ethereum Max is a security. She reached a settlement for promoting an unregistered security. The unregistered security is Ethereum Max. Have you charged the issuers of Ethereum Max for offering an unregistered security?
We reached a settlement with a celebrity, Miss Kardashian.
Yeah, but not. She just promoted it. She doesn't operate Ethereum Max. Have you said that Ethereum Max is an unregistered security to the people that offer it?
We did in that settlement, yes, sir.
Okay, it's still trading. What about Ethereum? Is Ethereum now a security?
We had this.
I heard your exchange. They've been in place since 2015. You say in your statements that there's clarity in the market and the rules are clear. Just come on in. You can't even answer the question. Do you say XRP is a security?
We're in court and active discussions and litigation on that.
You're in litigation because you do say it's a security. As you know, let's move on a little bit.
Yeah, GS, he got slapped big time, bro, because the funny thing is that he's over here trying to attack the small investors, which there's more clip. I mean, I was trying to see a way so I could just show them all, but at the end of the day, I'll tell you one thing: the higher ups, it's not as fun of Gary as they were before. That's guaranteed. So some of them suggested that he might just have to quit, and that's it. Long story short, but we know that's not going to be possible. The other one suggested that there's going to be, instead of being a one man shot, which they're, Gary seemed to be the one calling all the shots here, not even going through the higher ups. There's going to be like a committee that they got to answer to before making any decisions. So if that happens, I think that will be absolutely amazing because he is hurting a lot of investors. Um, Now, real quick over here, let me share my screen again. Present, share. Because when I'm sharing an audio, I gotta share a tab. When I'm sharing everything else, I could just share a screen real quick. Okay, allow. Why is this lock? Uh, okay. So, Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, it's not looking too hot right about now. It looks like it actually wants to hit the super trend. Once it hits the super trend, then we're going to go down. So, this is another technical indicator that I was looking at, and it's pretty amazing because it's very on point. I made some adjustments to it, and we're good to go. Right now, Bitcoin is actually holding up in about the 28,800, and it's holding up there nicely because there is actually a support. Let me put the trend line real quick. Bam, right there. And that's on the daily chart. So hopefully, but I highly doubt it, that's going to bounce back up. Why? Because the MACD is telling me that it's wide open to actually go towards the downside. So we'll see what's going to happen with that. Let me look at the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, the same thing, is looking bearish, but there is a moving average right here around 28,028. So if we bounce back from there, that's also another good thing. But what I am noticing is that Bitcoin might just be trading in a channel which I cannot really put it up here. Let me see, one of these indicator actually pops up. Mhm. Let me see if it's this one. Wait. Whoa, yeah, this one right here is not. So this is actually a Fibonacci, but I'm going to use it as a channel line. And what I am expecting is for Bitcoin to actually break out from here and then start going back down, or which I highly doubt is going to happen, that's going to break up and then, a mini bull run. But yeah, crypto talk now. Max in the house. What's going on, Max? Thank you for being here. I appreciate you, bro. And by the way, congrats on the 1 year anniversary. I was actually gonna try to make it, but I had a little situation at home where my daughter and niece were jumping around. My youngest daughter got hurt. So you know how that goes. Okay, so basically, this is what I am expecting for Bitcoin. If you really look at the monthly chart, it's not really looking too bad at all. And when I mean it's not looking too bad at all, is because the Starch RSI actually looks like it's up right here. It's going up, which that's a good thing. And then the MACD, it looks like it's finally trying to close up. And if you could see the momentum is losing volume right here, which it could be a bullish sign for everyone. Now, worst case scenario is that we bump into resistance and then we'll go right back down. And then from there, we'll probably start going all the way down onto the 12K area, which that's why I see the final support. And after hitting the 12K area, then we could start seeing some bullish momentum towards the upside. Is it 100% guarantee what I'm saying? No, because the market is very unpredictable and everything is 50-50. That's what I have always said. That's what I have always believed. Thanks, bro. 1 year anniversary for everyday live stream, not 1 year. Oh no, no, no. For everyday live streaming, bro, that's still a milestone. So congrats. And I myself actually hit a year on my channel. So I guess we're gonna have a party or something. So with that being said, just be very careful. The market is not looking too hot right now as we're speaking. Is actually going down towards the 700. It's dumping now. Jonathan Fernandez, thank you so much, bro, for the $10 donation. And welcome to my channel. By the way, guys, this is my friend Jonathan. We were speaking last night. I appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that. So, with that being said, everything right now to me looks bearish. If anybody says otherwise, I'll tell them to recheck, look at the market. There is one little bullish sign, which is very minimum, and is the fact that the RSI right here is on oversold territory. So let me explain that. Once the RSI goes below 30, that's on no, yeah, oversold territory. And once it's over 70, that's an overbought territory, which usually means it got to start going down. And we have my wife in the house, Queen Perseverance. Hello, Beb. Welcome, welcome. Who's slapping? Nobody slapping cheeks. Oh, we're talking about Gary Gensler, actually. He got a smack in his face. And I wish I would have found the other clip that Austin showed in his stream, the final one where they really got on him. That was actually hilarious. Let me check out Ethereum because Ethereum was another hot topic. Everyone was saying, and I even thought about it myself, the possibility of Ethereum going to 2,500. But then look at this huge, huge dump. this red candle right here. So even though I am a bit bullish in the fact that altcoin season is right around the corner, it still doesn't take away the fact that Ethereum took a nice hit towards the downside. Um, when a coin is showing signs of overbought, do you look for shorting or longing for investment tip? Well, Jonathan, I cannot give financial advice, but since I do know you personally, if you sue me, I know where you live, so I'll go hunt you down. Usually when it's on oversold territory right here, really would have been a time to short. Right here, that's another indication, even though I will confirm with the MACD, because you see right here that little volume, it doesn't have as much strength to actually continue going down. Jonathan, thank you for your support to the amazing Wadi. I appreciate that, Max. Appreciate that. And thank you, bro, for showing up here too, man, and supporting. Well, each and every one of you guys is actually great. I'm grateful. I feel blessed. Um, Let me see. So yeah, with Ethereum, these are the two levels that I'm looking for, which one of them got hit and it was the 1,110. The next level I'm looking for, if it doesn't stop right here, which is a very tiny support, which is 18,062, then I'm expecting it to go all the way to 1817. And then from there, we'll see what exactly happens. I did say last time, and I kept on repeating it, and some people were saying, no, you're bugging. No, you're crazy. I did say this is not a bull market yet. As much as we want it to be, it's not going to happen anytime soon, in my opinion. So, even though for the good news, I do like the fact that the stock to flow actually went down enough. Shoot. Hold on. Let me just refresh it. That was a real bad move. Okay. I like the fact that the stock to flow is getting back on track. So with the fact that the stock to flow is getting back to on track, see right here we were on oversold territory. I mean overbought territory, and then it went down and then cooled down, and now it looks like it's trying to go back up. So this, even though right now we're temporarily going down, to me, this is actually a good thing that maybe not this month, maybe, I don't know, I would dare say maybe July. If not in July, the last month for Bitcoin to actually be real bullish will be around August. And if that doesn't happen, then obviously we're just going to be looking at more downside, because usually for the other months, Bitcoin is usually bearish. So that is the stock to flow model. The other one that I love looking at is the rainbow chart. And what is the rainbow chart indicating? Right now is indicating that people should be buying. Even though the only problem that I see with that is, regardless, if you're in a bear market, just know this part. It is a good idea for you guys to accumulate if it's a project that you really believe in. Obviously, all you got to do is invest what you're willing to lose because you know the market is still in a bear market. And then from there, all you got to do is just hold on to your coins, be patient, and when the bull market starts, that's it. Hey, Queen, take care of the baby. Buddy has trabajo ahora. Thank you, Jonathan. Appreciate that, bro. Buddy, where you find that rainbow chart? I'll send you the link, Jonathan. Or you could just look it up, Bitcoin rainbow chart, or go to blockchain center. Yeah, blockchaincenter.com. And this is what I'm waiting for. So if you guys look at this, right? This is what happened every year, the same thing. This is another reason why I don't believe that the bull market is ready to go. You see, for the halving, it usually goes down real low. The halving happen and then it goes up. If you observe the same thing here, it goes down real low. Halving happens for a couple of days, usually like between 120, 150 days, and it goes start going up. The same thing happened right here. It went down to 100. I mean, the same way it went down, the halving happened, and boom, it went up. So, since Bitcoin has a habit of repeating itself, I believe the same exact thing is going to happen here. And we have
It's
a
not
couple of months
charging.
to go.
It's not charging.
It's okay, it's charged. Why do you need to charge it? Just
You
click
just
close.
oh,
We got Ray Ultimate in the house. What's up? What's going on, Ray? God bless you, bro. Welcome, welcome. So, this is the reason why I'm saying that a bull run is not going to happen anytime soon. Now, what could change my mind? Let's say Bitcoin above 35K. Maybe we'll have a little run up like it happened here. It had a little run up and then it cooled down. Where else we had a little run up? Right here. Nope. That one we didn't have a little run up. Right here we did twice and then it cooled down. So bullish news. Let's say that Ripple case it's over and it starts, you know, the coin starts going up like crazy, which that's what I believe will happen. Especially if Coinbase relisted and the other American exchange relisted, then we're good to go. Another thing about the hearing with Gary Gensler was the fact that somebody pointed out that Gary is actually pushing away companies from America's soil. Which company is that? Ripple Lab, Ethereum, and Coinbase. So obviously they're not too happy about that either. So with that being said, that is what I got as far as technical analysis, what I got as far as what's going on with Gary Gensler. And let me bring up this news right here. So Dogecoin traded away back to back. Elon Musk news Doge to soar after Elon Musk took the crypto market by storm by replacing Twitter logo with Dogecoin. Tesla earnings are set to come in Q1, right? For the first time after Elon Musk took the crypto market by storm by replacing Twitter logo with Dogecoin, the Tesla earnings are set to be released amid much Anticipation earning for the first quarter for the automaker are expected to come in less than the last quarter as profit dips. During the first quarter, the company initiated several price cuts for the electric vehicle model in the US, Asia, and select European market. However, the crypto community would be looking for any Doge related announcement from Musk. I don't know if you guys saw the last live that I did mention how Elon Musk partnered up with eToro for trading on Twitter. And one of the requirements is that still hasn't been set in stone that you have to have Dogecoin in order to trade. So I feel like that right there is going to be a good utility for Doge to start soaring. The crypto community was elated with Musk's decision to have the Dogecoin logo in place of the Twitter bird. This move itself was single handedly responsible for a minor price rally in the crypto market in the first week of April 2023. Hence, any such initiative to include Doge in the mix for Tesla could have significant impact again on the token. We have Daughter of Favor. Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. Um, Meanwhile, the Dogecoin price could take new turns owing the double boost in the form of Tesla earning and the much awaited Starship launch on Thursday. Starship is touted as the world's most powerful launch vehicle ever developed. Traders will be looking for comments on whether Tesla made any new plans around sale or purchases of its existing Doge holding. Although there was no mention of crypto holding in last few quarterly earnings release must renew interest over Dogecoin. Twitter logo gives rise to fresh hope. So this is another thing that I'm gonna tell you guys and why is Ellen going to make Doge come back no matter what. Do any of you guys know or are aware that he bought Dogecoin for his baby, his child? So with that being said, I believe that what he is going to try to do is make Doge explode and make his child a millionaire right off the back. Um, all right, so let's talk about this Pepe coin, guys. It is a meme coin, but it was soaring. It got listed on a couple of exchange. And here, let me go to Coin Market Cap because it actually got listed on Coin Market Cap too. And this coin, literally, when Coin Market Cap, Gate.io, Big Gets, and I don't know, for some reason, I'm actually getting bunk vibes from this token. I'm not saying buy it. I'm not saying sell if you have it, but make sure you do your own um, research. Ray says, "What up, Queen GS? Everyone else." GS said, "What up, Ray? Daughter, that's Faber and G-Man in the house." So this Pepe coin, it is a meme token, but it's making moves. And I'm just keeping an eye on it because you never know. If you guys remember when I mentioned bunk, I did said, if bunk goes on Hyobi Global, is gonna take off. So I'm gonna keep an eye on Pepe because if I see anything about listening on Hyobi Global or any other exchange, then it's gonna take off. Fair warning, according to Go Plus Lab, the contract owner may contain the authority to modify the transaction tax and contain blacklist function. Please exercise caution before taking any action. Do your own research. So this is the thing I gotta say there, guys. If you are going to try this DGen play, then do it on a exchange. Don't do it on Uniswap or anything like that, even though there is zero taxes whatsoever. Okay, so here we go. It got listed. Oh, forget it. Already got listed on Huobi Global. That must have happened when? Because earlier it was only Gate.io, Big Ed, MEXC, L Bank. Huobi wasn't listed and CoinX wasn't there. Interesting. But it's still valid, people, because, it means they are listening on more exchanges. All right, so that is the news about Pepe. And let me read this real quick. Says the Pepe Frog meme coin has made a comeback into the cryptocurrency market with the token rising more than 21,000% since its launch on April 16. 10,000 individual holders have already obtained the token. Pepe token market capitalization surpassed 33 million. According to Yahoo, the Pepe token, Pepe, which was launched on April 16, has increased by over 21,000%. It has generated over 30 million in trading volume on Uniswap, a decentralized exchange, and reached a market capitalization of over 33 million on April 18. Pepe stated on its website, the most memeable meme coin in the existence. The dog have had their day. It's time for Pepe to reign. This is how much. Geez, that's a lot of supply. Let me see. This is the millions. This is the billions. This is the trillions. 420 trillion. Where can we get Pepe? Well, it is available on MEXC and it is available on Lbank. It's available on Hyobi, Biget, and Biget. Not for nothing, but that's not a bad exchange. And neither is MEXC. BingX is not a bad exchange either. DG Phoenix, CoinX is not a bad exchange. So, with that being said, whoever the owner of this token is, I'm guessing they mean business. According to data from blockchain tracker Etherscan, Pepe reached 10,000 individual holder on April 18. This indicates that the token was quickly purchased by large number of investors hoping to profit from the ongoing excitement. The circulation supply of the token is 420 trillion. A reference to 420, a well-known slang from cannabis culture. Paper trading pool on Uniswap locks up nearly 1.3 million in liquidity. The supplier are the provider of all the liquidity in the market. The impact of meme coins on the cryptocurrency. According to Yahoo, the green frog with a human body known as Furry's Pepe first appeared in the 2005 comic The Boys Club. It became well known and part of online culture in the years that followed. According to James Woe, the founder of the crypto firm DFG, meme coins have significantly impacted the cryptocurrency trading scene due to the low volatility of the major currency like Bitcoin and Ether. Traders are inevitably looking for chance elsewhere. Meme trading may be dangerous to obtain excessive gains, but the potential upside can be significant. Therefore, regardless of the concept, there will always be a market for its specialized realm of doodoo coin. Trade as long as money can be gained by pushing hot issues, which the part that I do agree with. I get some people do not like DJ play, but we gotta be realistic here, to make a quick buck and the meme coin has enough hype, then usually people will make money off from it. Now, the one that I would not touch at all is another one that they came out with, and it's called Pepe Girlfriend. So I don't know about that one. I'll say pretty clear from it. And let's talk about Soldier Boy, which American rapper Soldier Boy accused of scam, Twitter promotion, and NFT drops. On-chain sleuth at Satch XBT has brought to attention that American rapper Soldier Boy has been scamming people with his 16 NFT drops and 73 promotion on Twitter. The rapper is said to have participated in multiple pump and dump scheme where he advertised project and enticed his fans to invest in them just to quit them soon after, leaving his supporter with worthless investment. Soldier Boy accused of Twitter NFT scam. The rise of NFT has brought with it an increase in numerous scam and fraudulent activity. Rapper Soldier Boy has joined the list of celebrities accused of fraud through promotion and NFT drops on Twitter. One instance occurred during the promotion of Rap Doge in July 2021 by Soldier Boy and fellow rapper Quabo and Lil Jotty. The same event was canceled in future, leaving investors with huge losses. Another scam was Parrot DAO, which was a rug pull a day after its announcement. So this is what he is presenting. Yeah, you know what, GS, that's actually a great comment. Why isn't Gary going after this one? You know, they went after Kim Kardashian, which I also agree, they went after Kim Kardashian, but they didn't go after the Ethereum Max founder, which that was actually the biggest scam ever. When I heard about Ethereum Max, I saw what was this fighter name promoting it. I said, I ain't touching that. So you guys got to think of one thing too. Just because a famous celebrity promotes a token doesn't mean that the token is going to get places, because all they're going to do is just, let's say somebody tells me promote etc coin, right? And I'm already a multimillionaire, or I'm a famous rapper. All I got to do is put on a shirt. That's it. That's my promotion. That's all I gotta do. I don't gotta make no tweet. Some of them do it, but really, in reality, that doesn't mean nothing in the crypto space. And some people actually buy into the hype and they go and say, "Oh my God, look at Mike Tyson promoting etc. coin, and yay, this is gonna take off." No, you guys gotta take your mind off from thinking that way, because when it comes to the crypto market, it is ruthless. And if you want legit coins, then invest in blue chips. Invest in coins that actually has real utility, that is going to solve an issue here. Don't invest in tokens just because they look pretty and they have a lot of hype and they have a couple of celebrities investing in it. That's the easiest way for people to lose money, in my opinion. So it says right here, Soldier Boy was also involved in Flokinomics promotion that turned out to be a scam, involving him advertising the Dogecoin knockoff. Right here. He claimed to have been created by Elon Musk. He has also been sued for Save Moon promotion. There goes the biggest scam ever. I don't care if I lose some subscriber and some followers because of this, but the truth is the truth. Save Moon, they had a good momentum going on, and then they decided to pull the plug on everybody. They decided to go to a B2 contract, which the B2 contract was never audited. So all those little flags right there, that should have told people stop investing in it. John Coroni, whatever his name is, that dude never did really anything but just hype up the project. Other notable mention were Orion and the Life Token, two schemes that manipulated price by cancer and suicide prevention charity. These innovative were unsuccessful and quickly abandoned, which goes on to prove their illegitimacy. Uh, yeah, Ray, I actually saw that, man. Trump's second NFT came out in one day and sold out in less than 10 minutes. See, that part I didn't know. I knew that he came out with a second NFT, but I didn't find the news to actually talk about it. Thanks for bringing it up. And, you know, I got to say one thing, regardless of everything, I'm not really a big fan of Donald Trump because of his ways at times, but regardless of everything, that dude knows how to make money. That dude knows how to turn things into gold. And that is crazy. So Soldier Boy also promoted NFT collection, some of which promise to deliver various utility. Despite this, several of these collection today's are inactive and purchasers have yet to receive a refund for their investments. So as we could go on and on and on and on, this is just all about another celebrity promoting a crap coin or project, getting paid for it, and then he got his money, he's out. Didn't give a crap about his followers, his friends, probably even family member that invested in it. And those are the type of things that me personally I have a problem with. It was promoted in his Instagram. Yeah, not only on his Instagram. I know I saw a news earlier. Let me see if I bring it up. I know I saw a news. I think it was on my phone because I got some news alert, and I was going to talk about it, but I didn't. I felt like having Gensler with the tear face was more important. Oh, there we go. So I am curious how the other NFT looks like. Oh man, if his NFT is that face right there, I know why they sold out. I would have kept one if I knew they were minting. Yeah, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, I didn't even know that they was gonna drop one because I figured that the first one was going to be there until like if he ran for president and he won and then the NFT was gonna take off. Great. But dropping a second NFT collection, that I didn't know. So it says Donald Trump made another strange graph for his follower Cash when he returned to Instagram on Tuesday for the first time since the fallout from the January 6, 2021 riot. Posting for the first time in 15 months, the former president revealed his second set of NFT trading cards and their ostentatious illustration, Trump Eagle was on display as he carried the 2,080 pounds Liberty Bell in one car. Another showed the politician in superhero graph, complete with an American flag cape and inexplicably, okay, I ain't gonna bother. A boxing belt that said Trump champion. Online, the 2024 Republican frontrunner applauded himself for not raising the price of the collectible with sell for $100. And he did put them out pretty cheap, if you ask me. $100? Oh man, I can click on it. I'm not logging into my Instagram. So yeah, eventually, guys. One thing about NFT, they will go back down. That's one thing I noticed. That's why at times I kind of think about it twice before investing in it. Trump has a real cult. Yeah, I know, man. I will bought five at a 100 just to resell. Yeah, man. When the first NFT collection was launched, it was crazy because I saw how crazy the price fluctuated. So let's say, for example, if you bought it at 50 bucks, then it went to 100, then 180, and then it went back down, and then it went back up all the way until it got to like 600 and something, and then it started going back down. But then 3 days, 4 days later, it started going back up again. So that is crazy though. And Ray, thanks for reminding me, bro. All right. So for the last 10 minutes, let's go take a look at our sponsors. Well, my sponsors, which obviously the first one is MMAI, the second one is Metapolitans, and the third one is TRL Token, the Rug Launch. And as far as the MMAI chart, it's still looking pretty solid, in my opinion. It has been in this range. It goes down here, it goes back up here, it goes down again, and it goes back up again. So that's what I call a channel or even trading sideways. So, with that being said, that's great for all the investors because it's not really moving much, meaning it's not going up too crazy and it's not going down either too crazy. Um, Let me go look for Metropolitans. Was actually I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna upload it today because I was supposed to do the video last night. And like I said, things got crazy with my family, so I had to take care of that. But Metropolitans actually, let me go through their tweet. They got a lot going on. This Medium article is pretty good. It's very detailed. If you guys also could take a look at the other video that I did regarding Metropolitans, Coin Merge right now is gonna have a AMA with them. They're gonna have a Binance AMA on the Metropolitan Metaverse, which that's gonna be pretty interesting. They got the casino, and today I actually was testing out the the metaverse because as an influencer, we actually have the privilege to test it out. Um, Somo Foot in the house. What's going on, Somo? Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. So this is the AMA that I was talking about, which most likely I'm gonna go over this again with the video that I'm going to upload, but just wanted you guys to have an idea. This is how it looks in the metaverse, and these are having they're doing a lot of partnership. You know, Dogecoin, Rye, he got a big following. Crypto Gems, which he also got a big following. So these, they're getting a lot of influencers on board, whether if it's on Twitter or whether if it's on YouTube. And, you know, that's going to create a lot of hype, in my opinion. They got Gandalf of Crypto, which is also another big Twitter influencer, and they got a lot of partnership going on. So here is the pink sale, which is going to happen in about 12 days, and that's the pre-sale. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. You guys make your own decision on whether you want to invest in it or not. And I'm trying to look for one of the gameplays. I mean, I could just show the one that I got myself, but there you go. Here. So I'm pretty much doing the same thing on mine. I'm just walking around. I'm not doing any big crazy stunts or anything like that. But the project is looking pretty solid, in my opinion. You just saw how you went in the elevator, press it. Really, it's very realistic too. Okay, so this is when you decide to play as the guy. You can actually change the character by just pressing one or pressing two and just keep flipping it around. Caroline Hemping waving. So yeah, Metropolitans, definitely check it out, ladies and gentlemen. I do like that they're actually using ICP, Internet Computer, um, because of their security. So it says our website has now migrated via Free. We're now powered by Internet Computer, ICP, hosting for our decentralized metaverse. And that's the updated, and they're showing everything that's going on. Can you? I am not sure what that means, bro. As you can see, Awesome Austin is also marketing it. Well, and you guys got to understand this is all paid marketing. So, yeah, when you get the chance, go check them out and see if you're down for it or not. And if you are, great. If you're not, then still cool. Let me show some of the clips of MMAI. Well, that I did not know about, probably because I don't drink. MMAI, we all know about the MOU. We all know about the game that, the MMAI game. And we all know about the MMAI metaverse, which this is one of the. Oh, I didn't retweet this. This is some of the latest picture the MMA got going on. And what I like about MMA also is that they're using Unreal Engine 5, so it looks beyond realistic. Why that is a transformer more than meets the eye. You guys are crazy. Um, we're actually pretty excited because this is the gameplay that obviously we're looking at, but I'm excited for the POA2 proof of authority blockchain that's coming out pretty soon, most likely around not a specific day, so let's just say summertime, and it's looking great. Tim Shea in the house, welcome, welcome. So yeah, MMA got a lot of exciting things going on, a lot of utilities. Usually, Daniel hosts a space on Tuesday where we do crypto talk. Is Daniel Wadi space on Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. EST. Then on Thursday, which is tomorrow, is Wadi and Daniel crypto talk. And we also talk about MMAI. If you guys got any questions, etc., you could go in there. Then Dr. Crypto also hosts Twitter Spaces. He had one today. I'm not sure if he's gonna host another one tomorrow, but his spaces is usually around 11:30 or so. So if you guys got any question about MMAI, just make sure you go there and ask some questions. If not, just go to the website and join the Telegram. So last but not least, we got TRL token, the Rock launch, which They're still working on their utility, but I do gotta say one thing about this token is that ever since it came out, it has been going up nonstop. This is where, initially started and boom, all the way up, just like the song. So look into these projects that I'm telling you about. Make sure you guys do your own research, not financial advice. And if it is for you, make your own decision. Wally, put in your fib live, bro. Wally, put in your fib live. Are you talking about the Fibonacci? So, yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I was way behind. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So, with that being said, guys, I have been here for an hour, and most people usually go to Crypto Talk Now channel. You had just pulled the fifth. Okay, so either I am really lost or I am an idiot. Which one? Um, yeah, with that being said, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Oh, by the way, I'm only going to be streaming 3 days in a week. Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. And I'm gonna try to focus on doing a whole lot more videos and just put them out there. Whether if it's AI video or if it's my own video or if it is some short video. Oh, Shaman, don't say that about yourself, bro. Not I'm playing, I'm playing. With that being said, have a good night, guys. Have a blessed one. And if you haven't and you like the information, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button and turn on the notification. Also, I do have membership available. If you want to become a member of the Watt Squad, it's only $2 a month. With that being said, let me check this. The last comment. Have a good one, everyone, and God bless y'all.